you did not believe in Jesus and you did not believe in God.
Convection oven doesn't work because this resistor is open. It's a wire round resistor that's in series with the capacitor. I don't know why they did it that way, but yeah, the blower doesn't work now because of that. So with that moved over, if I plug this in now, we run 23 amps, we're ready to run. So that's fixed. But that's still no good. Resistor. So I don't really know why they put this resistor in series with the capacitor for the motor, but it's there, and this is in warranty, so it has to be replaced. So we got a new one here, and it's kind of different, so I guess we're gonna improvise. I got this hooked up, and I've just run it over to the capacitor. Now it's wired the same, and this won't happen again. Fan just quit. This motor reverses. There's 2 speeds in reverse with a single speed, single directional motor. Using this goofy little board, so it's stopping it now.